Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure it's unlocked, on power or above 20% battery, and connected to Wi-Fi if possible. Open the Photos app, tap Albums, then scroll down to Recently Deleted. You need to know why. This folder stores items for up to 30 days with deletion dates listed, so you can recover before expiry. Once there, scan thumbnails and tap an image to preview. Doing this now sets up the quick recover actions you'll use next. You now pick what to restore. Tap Select, then tap individual photos or drag to multi-select. This is faster for many images. Once chosen, tap Recover and confirm. The app explains the photo returns to the main library and retains original metadata. Make sure to wait for the confirmation message. Do not close photos immediately. After recovery, navigate to Recents or the specific album to verify files restored correctly and that timestamps and edits are intact. Finish by verifying sync. If photos aren't visible, check iCloud Photos is enabled and you're signed into the correct Apple ID. Syncing can take minutes. If problems persist, restart the device and reconnect to Wi-Fi to force a sync refresh, then recheck Recently Deleted and Recents. If files still don't appear, restore from a recent backup or use a trusted recovery tool. And if none of these work, contact Apple support for guided recovery. That's the key troubleshooting step to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.